Hey, good evening, guys. Hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend. We're almost to the end of it. Monday will be rolling around here, but I wanted to share an absolute fantastic modern sale of a 1983 Denver minted Lincoln cent that sold through Great Collections this evening. And it's really exciting when something like this comes along and it's like, it's a common day, they're out there in droves and pocket change and coin rolls that, well, what else is there to say? All right. Except that when a coin of this nature pops up at auction for a really ridiculous amount of money, in this case, this particular coin sold for $2,742.75. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and round it up to, the cents on this one because it's a lot of money for a 1983 Lincoln cent, and nobody knows why. Well, I do, and I'm going to share that with you. But the first impression when I say a 1983 Lincoln penny sold for $2,700, it's like, no way. There's absolutely no way. You're full of it, Blue Ridge. But man, it happened. Someone paid the money. Someone bid it up for this amount of money. And it happens. Okay? And this coin doesn't appeal for everyone. But it does appeal to those registry set collectors that only want the finest coins graded. Okay? So like I had specified, this one had sold on greatcollections.com this evening. All right, it is graded. Now check this out. PCGS Mid State 68 plus. Huge. Because a coin of this date doesn't typically grade at that high of a level. To be a little bit more accurate, okay, this is a pop 1. Okay, what does that mean? In the PCGS world of coin grading, all right, people submit coins to the service to get graded, okay, and then it's assigned into a certain population based off of the grade. So if it was a Mid State 65, which is kind of like a middle of the road Mid State BU grade, all right, there might be 1,500 coins that grade out as such. That would be the population. So this is the only coin graded as 68 plus red that has ever surfaced. Okay, it's a fantastic coin, but it's a zinc Lincoln cent. It's a zinkin is what I call it. It's not even 100% copper or whatever. So that's why you have a little bit of the zinc bubbles on the obverse of the coin. But aside from that, it's a magnificent example. All right, and one of which a registry set collector will enjoy for however long it takes before a Mid State 69 pops up. Who knows if that'll happen, but seeing as how this is the only example, that justifies the $2,742 price tag that this one hammered out at this evening. So I wanted to share another marvelous modern sale. Definitely one to keep an eye out. Maybe not in 1983, but a lot of these newer 2000s and 2010s that are sitting there in bank boxes today can be had and then graded for such a lofty high grade, and then you could turn around and sell it for 500, 1,000, $2,000, whatever the case may be. The coins are worth money to these elitist registry set collectors that look for the finest specimens of each date. So thanks again for joining. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't done so. I highly recommend it. A lot of great stuff. And Blue Ridge Silverhound, a lot of new videos come out weekly. I took a week off to kind of recharge the batteries, and now we're back, and we're back to talking about coins that you could find in today's pocket change. So you guys have a wonderful evening. Enjoy this week coming up. We're almost coming up to April. A lot of good things happening as we approach the summer. 2018 coinage is out there now, so be on the lookout for that. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a nice one.